Okay, I just finished installing this cabinet. Well, it's a medicine cabinet. Looks really nice. I really like this kind of material. It's not really particle board, but they are, don't know what they are, but looks strong and sturdy to me. The door is really smooth. You just have to follow the instruction from A to Z. Make sure everything lined up correctly. See that? Top to the bottom. Cool. I really like it. And depend on what size of the door you want to swing out, you can actually turn it around. Okay, and then you can move the stuff up and down here in the shelves area. That's awesome.